welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Jenny and I make fashion, beauty, and lifestyle videos every single week here on my channel. And today I have finally an office tour for you guys. I'm so excited to share my office, my new office with you guys. If you're new here, I just moved upstairs in my house. So my kids' room was up here. We moved them downstairs. They're loving it. They're very happy to be closer to the fridge. And I am loving my new upstairs room. My husband helped so much. This video is dedicated to him and all his hours of hard work on this room. I'm so grateful to him. I will link as many things as I can from this room because there's so many great things. I'm really excited about it. But definitely check the description box if there's anything in here that you are interested in purchasing. And also follow me on all my other social medias. I'll put it here on the screen, my handle, and that way you can see all my links and all the other things I share there. So if you're excited to see this girly, beautiful, so fun room, then please keep watching. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna start over here. This is my desk area, also my steamer. This is my desk area. I'm so excited about this little area. It's gonna be so fun to be working here. So these little pictures, they came from Amazon. Aren't those adorable? And they came next day, so I was really excited about that. This little mirror I've shared with you guys before. It is from Walmart. It's been in and out of stock, but I'll link it in case you're interested. The desk is also from Walmart, and this chair is from Amazon. This little guy I got at Pottery Barn, and it just has a bunch of stuff in there with a self-portrait my daughter drew. Isn't that adorable? But this is gonna be so fun. That Praise Jesus. You guys have, if you watch my videos for long, you've seen that before. My sister-in-law got that for me for Christmas last year, and I have loved putting it in my office. And all in all, I think this spot has turned out so well and so adorably. My steamer obviously is not the most beautiful, but it fits there and it works. And then over here, I hung up a Pottery Barn curtain with a tension rod. It's a gold tension rod, so super pretty. But I had to block at least a little bit of the noise and light from coming on the stairwell, and there's no door in here. I also have this rose gold clock. I shared this with you guys in a Walmart Wednesday once. I love it. It's so pretty. So then I have my hats. These are all my fall hats. I just switched them out. Not that it's fall yet, but I'm super excited. This is the stuff I'm getting ready to share for Walmart Wednesday. And then here's like one of my favorite things in my office, and it's this thing. I am so excited about this. So this is from IKEA. It is one of the PAX buildable closet systems. Now you guys have seen it in my video. It's so beautiful and I just love it. It fits all of my things. So these are just like, I put some purses, lots of shoes. You guys know I have tons of shoes, and my tall boots there. And then I put purses in both of the top drawers because they're open. And then just I have like my shorts in one, my jeans in one, and then more shoes here. And then here I just have a couple things, some shoes, but I did get the pull-out jewelry system. So y'all, so pretty. I love it. And it fits just perfectly right here. They're all soft close drawers. And then this one I don't have anything in yet. I don't know what I'm gonna put here. And then the rest of my jewelry, can y'all tell that I really like the Victoria Emerson bracelets because I do, my new Tory Burch bag. And then I just put some boxes. These will probably have tons of like gloves, hats, things like that. And then obviously my clothes I hung. And same thing on this side. So all of this is pretty basic. Over here I put the rest of my shoes. It's not even the rest of my shoes, you guys. I have so many shoes. It's really a problem. See, look, they don't even all fit there. And then this, I don't have a link for this. I got this at a family Christian store when it was closing, but it's so beautiful. I'll try and find something similar. These curtains I shared in another Walmart Wednesday. So these are really pretty textured curtains. I love them. They are from Walmart, as well as this like distressed farmhouse looking curtain rod. So these are so pretty. I also got these little pullbacks from Walmart as well. So These are really helpful because when I'm filming I can pull it back, but since it's so hot right now in Texas, I can let the curtains go when I'm done. All right, you guys, are y'all ready for the big reveal here? This is my couch area. I know you guys have seen my couch before if you've seen my videos. This is a pull-out couch, so it does turn, or not a pull-out couch, it's like a futon, you know what I'm saying? And so it is convertible. Oh, I forgot to say, I shared this before, but this is a little lamp I got from Amazon. I just thought it was so pretty and crystally. These are from Amazon as well, and this is from Etsy. I just love that verse. So, all right, back to the couch. I have my Barefoot Dreams blanket there, and then here we go. This is what we were waiting for. Dun, 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 dun. I'm so excited about this look on this wall. What a fun little space this is now. Obviously, my lights make it less adorable, but I love these big flowers. They turned out so well. So that is from Amazon. I will link it in the description box so that you guys can see it. They turned out exactly the way that I wanted them to turn out. They're beautiful and perfect. And then over here, I'm in pajamas. See? Pajamas. But this is where I film. Obviously, my lights aren't on right now, so I'm dark. But this is my mirror. You guys have seen that before. And my rugs. Have this rug is from Walmart. I've shared it in a Walmart Wednesday before as well. And then that one is from Amazon, as well as the stool. And there is my mirror. This mirror, you guys, story time real quick. This mirror was my dad used to work at a bank in Fort Worth. And when the bank closed, the mirror was just like abandoned. And I think my mom paid like $50 for this or something. I mean, it was really, either she got it for free or it was really inexpensive. And now it's mine and it's beautiful. Like, it's so gorgeous. She just gave it to me. So thanks, Mom. That was really nice. So anyway, yes, this is the whole enchilada, you guys. I am so pleased and so excited about how this sweet little room turned out. All right, you guys, that was my office tour. I hope you really enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss any more of my videos in the future. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one.